collaborative initiative led by the Government of the Gambia through the Ministry of Finance and Economic Affairs and critical stakeholders has successfully completed the drafting of the third voluntary national review. The VNR takes effect from the high-level 2025 Political Forum on Sustainable Development in New York. The resident coordinator of the UN, Carl Frederick Paul, stated that they are not just reviewing a document, but honoring a journey that started a collective journey to achieve sustainable development goals.
The Gambia Bureau of Statistics and the various line ministries, departments, and agencies have shown the power of collaboration when data meets policy. But the strength of this report not only lies into the quality of the data, it lies in the inclusive spirit with which it was developed, from regional consultation to focus group discussion, from the youth voices also to the women's perspective, from community engagement to technical advisory input. This has been a real and truly participatory and national effort.
The resident representative of UNDP, Mandisa Musologo, said the Gambia's decision to present its third VNR at the high-level political forum in 2025 is a true testament of the country's commitment to the 2030 agenda to achieve sustainable human development.
The 2025 VNR occurs at a critical midpoint in the global implementation of the Agenda 2030. It presents a timely opportunity to reflect on the progress achieved thus far and highlight remedial action for the challenges that must be collectively addressed to accelerate implementation. With only 5 years remaining, only 17% of the targets are reached. There is an increased urgency to renew our commitment. This review focuses on the key areas under SDGs 3, 5, 8, 14, and 17, with particular emphasis on tracking trends and progress since the SDGs' inception.
Country representative of UNFPA, Ndairo Sarr, highlighted how organizations aim for the validated report.
By supporting the national systems when it comes to data for the 2024 Digital Population and Housing Census, to civil registration and vital statistics, I believe we help generate reliable demographic information, because data shines a light on those who are often overlooked and help us answer critical questions. And for us, it's where are the greatest risks for mothers and newborns, which girls are being left behind, and who is still missing from our count. This evidence drives targeted action to protect and save the right to safe childbirth and family planning, building systems that prevent violence and support survivors, and empowering a generation of young people to shape their future and unlock the demographic dividend.
Permanent Secretary of the Minister of Finance and Economic Affairs, Keba Jallo, stated that the report showcases collective efforts invested as a country in the implementation of programs to achieve sustainable development goals.
The government has developed the Recovery-Focused National Development Plan to consolidate the gains in democratic governance, accelerate green economic and social transformation, and build resilience to shocks and crises. To ensure value for money and facilitate transparency and accountability in the RFNDP implementation, a robust monitoring and evaluation system has been developed to assess progress. However, a major challenge besetting effective monitoring and implementation is the availability of timely and relevant data.
The SDGs are designed to respond to the impact of multiple and interlocking crises facing the world, with concerted strategies providing high-level political guidance on transformative and accelerated actions towards the targeted year 2030. Mahmoud Lamin, Jartes News.